Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I have previously recorded videos on shoe unboxing which covered the Nike Air Jordans, New Balance 996 and Adidas Supernova. This time I have another Adidas shoe. You might be familiar with the Supernova series, which includes Supernova Solutions, Supernova Rise and Supernova Stride. Today I'll be focusing on Supernova Stride and I'll be showing you and of course also highlighting some key features about the shoe and what they're ideal for. So this is the first look of the shoe. It's beautifully made, very well crafted. So Supernova Stride is ideal for runners, runners who can use for gym, who can use for outdoor running as well, and who have a kind of like a daily routine kind of thing with running. So they can, so this is ideal for them. At the same time, if you notice, they have the gray part. As you notice, it's the Green Strike Plus technology that they use. I believe this is also there in Supernova Rise. This provides a lot of comfort. At the same time, you'll notice, and what I really love about this is the back end of the shoe. So if you notice here, they have a very comfortable and deep cushioning and layering. So when I wore this for the first time, I could actually feel the comfort, especially if you're playing any sport or if you're running at the same time. You'll notice that this cushioning also helps you to it gives you a bit of a push when you step on the ground. So and then they have the Adidas layering, and this provides a lot of traction as well. Interestingly, once you check it on their website, you'll notice that they have different colors. They have a wide range of colors, and depending on the color that you choose, you will come across a different price tag. So you can check it out on their official website, or you can check it out on any direct third-party website as well, and you'll notice the price difference. Because it's ideal for running, and it's like something which is recommended for daily runners, so that is why I got this one, and it's a regular fit. So based on the your size and at the same time your color preference, you can actually go and choose one of these, and I would highly recommend if you are into regular running. So these should be fine, because this is also at the same time a budget friendly model as well.